welcome to Homeschool Day 1.
2022. What did we do?
Go down the Sturgeon River.
Yes, we did.
What did we learn about today? What are some things that you saw?
The current?
We learned about currents. What is a current?
I know.
Can you explain it?
It's stuff that takes you somewhere.
I thought it was like a blackberry. Wrong type of current, Dada.
What's a current in the river?
Current with an A. What did you learn?
Waterfall.
Oh, waterfalls. Sometimes there's waterfalls when what?
Wait, so
What happened a couple days ago? It rained?
there was a ginormous rapid that we went.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after it
Causes
rains,
rapids.
Not
logs.
Rocks.
Rocks.
And logs. Sticks.
Sure, sticks. What was overhanging?
out.
What hung over us a lot of the
Saw
time?
algae?
Oh, you saw
Red.
red
Red
algae. There's probably poop in there somewhere. Yeah, we want to find out what causes red algae next.
Poop.
Oh, Ethan, what did you see hanging off the trees?
Branches.
What?
Poop.
Let me try his face.
For little cocoons. It
Yeah.
looked like there was a family of million eggs.
And there was also a flower out there that only something
Poop.
breeds on. Stop. What else breeds on those flowers?
What?
What are they called?
Caterpillars.
Well, what kind of plants do caterpillars like to build?
Milkweed.
Milkweed.
Milkweed. There you
Some
go.
are milkweed.
Poop.
Gosh. Okay, what else did we learn
What
today?
did we need to use in order to get down the river safely?
Oh,
Yeah, oars, but we needed to work as a what?
team.
What about ands?
Oh, that's right. I took long naps the whole other way.
Oh, yeah, you got a nap. What about,
poop,
what
poop,
matters
poop,
where
poop.
you sit on the boat?
I know.
What?
Left. Turn other way.
We were-
About to bump in.
We kept bumping into everything because you were shifting your weight.
But
Yeah,
when I did this way on Mama's
that's
side,
right.
boom. Not hitting everything.
And it turned the boat. How crazy.
We had a good day.
Lesson is sometimes in life, you hit some currents. Sometimes you end up going a little bit backwards. Sometimes you go sideways. Sometimes you have to duck. Duck! And then sometimes you go fast and sometimes you go slow. And that's okay because wherever you
Wait.
go,
Wait.
you're a family, you're a team.
Woo!
You just sounded like Dr. Seuss
Yeah,
or
Doc-
something.
Okay, poop.
Just around the river bend. Once more. Just around the river bend. Beyond. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Shore.